You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.